Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Well, there's a lot of talk lately especially on the internet groups and stuff. People asking over and over and over again, how do I tell how old my chainsaw is from the serial number? What do these numbers mean? Easy thing to do right here is get a chart. There's several different charts out there. I got one like that. Easy, very comprehensive. It tells you what color tag, silver or black tags on there, and what year, how many digits are in them, whether there's spaces in them or not, and then you can easily figure out what year your Husqvarna chainsaw was manufactured. Okay, I'm going to do a close-up of this for you, so get ready. If you're on your mobile phone, I'm going to do a close-up and just take a screenshot of it, and then you can zoom in on there. It'll put it in your photos album. If you're on your TV or your computer monitor, just hit pause when I show you this, and then take your phone out and maybe take a picture of it, and then it's in your photos album forever. Very easy to understand, as you can see. However, this goes back to 1980. Lots of different, right from the Husqvarna site too, you can get one of these charts. They all start in 1980. So that's a reason. There's two reasons I think that this format does not apply to anything older than 1980. First reason is because they started in 1980. If this applied to the 1960s and 70s, then it would say on there 60s and 70s or up to 1980 or something like that, and it doesn't. Now here's the other thing why I don't think this format applies before 1980. We have two 65 Husqvarna chainsaws right here. This is an A65, this is an L65. The original 65 was manufactured, started being manufactured in 1968 up to 1974. Then they stopped making this one and made the L65, which is pretty much the same chainsaw, but they put two piston rings on this, and then back in that day, big upgrade, two piston rings instead of one piston ring. So it ended 1974, that means the L65 started manufactured in 1974. Now let's look at this serial number on the original. It's a silver tag, and the serial number is 6 digits long with no spaces, and it starts with a 1. Okay, we go to our chart. A silver tag, 6 digits. It's the very first one. 6 digits, no spaces, starts with a 1. The only possible year this could have been made is in 1971. So I thought, okay, I can believe that. Now we go to the L65. That has 7 digits and a silver tag. So we go there, 7 digits. The only one that's close with a silver tag, because this one was started, in the mid 80s, it changed to a black tag. So we know it can't be that because it's a silver tag. So the only possible year this can be, according to this chart, is 1981. But here's the catch. This has, if you look again, that has a space in it. It's 2 digits, a space, and then 5 more digits after that space. Now there's nothing on here that shows that. There is one on here that's kind of close, but it's 10 digits with a space and a silver tag. So I do realize there are a lot of you watching this right now that have way more knowledge about Husqvarna chainsaws, especially older ones, than I do, and I get that. Maybe in the comment section, maybe you could agree with me or disagree with me. Set me straight if you can, because I love learning new stuff, just probably like you do. Have a look at that chart, go outside and look at your Husqvarna chainsaws, see what year it is. It's kind of fun doing that. Till the next video, cheers. Steve out.